Cybersecurity is one of the most exciting, in-demand, and well-paying careers for upcoming years. But how do you get started? What skills do you need? And how can you become a cybersecurity expert? In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to kickstart your journey. Stay tuned. Every skyscraper needs a strong foundation, and your cybersecurity career is no different. Before diving into cybersecurity, a strong foundation in computer fundamentals is critical. Understanding how computer works, operating system, file systems, memory management, and how applications interact with your hardware. You will also need to understand the key concepts like IP addresses, DNS, and HTTP, HTTPS protocols. This is base of everything in cybersecurity. Why is this important? Because cybersecurity involves securing systems from inside out. You need to know what you are protecting. Networking is the backbone of cybersecurity. You will need to understand that how data flows in a network, how information is shared between devices, core networking concepts like IP, TCP, UDP, TNS, and protocols like FTP, SSH, etc. And understanding networking devices like routers, switches, hub, bridge, load balancers, and firewalls helps a lot. And exploring how a firewall works and how network security is implemented is important because attackers often exploit network vulnerabilities, and knowing how network works helps you secure them. Linux is the go-to operating system for cybersecurity professionals. Why? Because it is secure and open source. It is loaded with powerful tools like Unmap, Metasploit, Nikto, Hydra, and Wireshark, and many more. And it is perfect for automation and scripting. Mastering the basics like command line navigations, file permissions, shell scripting, and setting up Linux environment is very necessary to go further in cybersecurity career. And let's face it, it looks cool when you are typing commands in the terminal. Now that you have built a strong foundation, it's time to step into the world of cybersecurity. Start with platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Boxes, specifically with TryHackMe if you are a beginner, and later on Hack the Box. And also TCM Security provides a great content, so you can look into their website also to get hands-on experience with real-world scenarios. And there are basically three main career paths in cybersecurity if we look it into general form. First is Red Team, which is for offensive experts who finds and exploit vulnerabilities. Second is Blue Team, which is for defensive experts who monitor and protect systems. Then there is Purple Team, a mix of both, improving collaboration between offensive and defensive. And for Red Teaming, focus is on like tools like Suit, GoBuster, and Metasploit, and attacks like SQL injection, CSRF, cross-site scripting, broken authentication, and many more. You can go through OWASP Top 10 website to know about the latest top 10 vulnerabilities in the world. And for blue teaming, focuses on monitoring tools like Splunk, Sentinel-1, Carbon Black, threat intelligence and security framework like Mithril Attack. And eventually, you can become a purple teamer, an expert who bridges the gap between attack and defense. Now, after you build the foundation and gain some hands-on knowledge, you can start taking certifications to validate your skills and make you stand out. Here's a roadmap that for beginner certification, you can look into CompTIA Security Plus for blue teaming and eJPT or Pen Test Plus for red teaming. Then there come some intermediate certifications. For those, you can do some courses from TCM Security, the best in class content they are providing now. And then also you can take their certifications like PNPT, which is for red teaming, and also their blue teaming certifications. And other intermediate level red team certifications are PNPT, EWPT, ECCPT, and OSCP, and many more. And for blue teaming, there are CISSP, GCIA, and GCIH. Cybersecurity isn't limited to only red team and blue team. You can also explore specialized fields like cloud security, where you can start with certifications like AZ900 or AWS Cloud Security Practitioner. And with IoT security, learn to secure devices like smart home systems or application security and machine learning model security. Like these are all specialized fields of cybersecurity. And you can also go through the zero trust architectures and its growing importance. So some free courses you can do from Udemy, Coursera, or even from TryHackMe, Hack the Box platform, or TCM Security platform, as I already mentioned. So cybersecurity is constantly evolving, so you should be stay completely updated to the latest information. Joining communities like Reddit's NetSec or Twitter's InfoSec community, attending conferences like DEFCON or Black Hat, or practicing on platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box or PortSwigger Academies. This will help you a lot in matching your speed with the evolving speed of the cybersecurity. And that's your 2025 cybersecurity roadmap. Which path are you excited to follow? Red team, blue team, or something else? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. See you in the next video.